My name is Minnie. I'm 9. I have got a family. I have got a mother. Her name is Helen. She is a teacher. I have got a father. His name is Peter. He is a doctor. I have got 2 brothers. Their names are Alec and Tim. They are 10. They are pupils. They go to school. I have got a sister. Her name is Diana. She's 3. She's not a pupil. I have got a grandmother and a grandfather. We have got a cat. Her name is Pussy. We have got a dog. His name is Bobby. They are funny. We are a happy family. I love my family very much.